Open the present. Oh! Ooh. What is that? Huh? A crystal knife for Camilla.
Oh, yeah. Cake.
For your cake. Oh, that's so nice. Look. Say pretty. Say pretty.
Say that for the cake.
That's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is pretty. Look how pretty. Say pretty.
Okay,
Oh, she's going to want it.
Next one.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, birthday girl, want to open what's next? There for a minute. Go inward, look. Oh, look. Oh, look. Wait, no, hold on. Look, Camilla. Camilla, look.
Oh, boy, there's more. Whoa, that's a big one.
Oh, she just wants in it. Smart girl. Look. Look, Camilla. Your first birthday present ever. Your first birthday present ever. It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Yeah. Can you open it? Look. You want to read it? Let's see what it says. Come back up.
Camilla.
Camilla, on your birthday, there you go. Happy birthday. Birthday girl. Number 1. Oh, sorry to have to do that. It's money. And it says, you're so cute and huggable, so sweet and special too. That's why this brings a birthday wish and lots of love to you. Happy first birthday. Wishing you a happy first birthday. Love, Uncle Serge. Can you say thank you? Say mwah. Mwah.
Mwah.
Uncle Serge, give him a kiss. Mwah. What's in there? What's in there? So far, the bows are really big. What's in there? Look, Camilla. Oh, look. Look, Camilla.
Whoa.
Look how cute. Oh, we're going to be wearing this today. It's going to fit you, too. That is so cute. And some, what's that? Oh, Cinderella socks. Cinderella socks. Oh, more Disney. Isn't that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look how precious.
Whoa.
Oh, look how precious. You want to wear this as your birthday dress? Oh, this is so pretty.
That's a lot of stuff.
I know. You want to wear it? Such a pretty dress. Oh, what else is in there?
Some more?
Oh, shoes to go with the dress. Oh, look at that. You want to wear those shoes?
That's funny. I've never seen
Let's
those.
see. Let's put them on her. You want to wear those shoes? Yeah?
Wait, Baba.
Ready? We'll cut these off in a minute. Okay, ready? Look how cute. I don't know how to do this. Does the back come open? Oh, maybe not. Okay, your first pair of sandals. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh, look. Look at that. You're ready for Florida. That is so cute. One more. Oh, they're not going to fall off. I know that. Well, that one's not on yet. Hold on. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
And you want to walk in them? You want to show Grandma and Grandpa how you can walk? Okay, you ready to walk? Okay, ready to walk?
That's fun. Hold for a second. I'll fix it for you.
Can we get her to walk? Can we get her to walk? Huh? Okay. Daddy's got to go to work. Can you say bye-bye? Look at the camera. Bye, honey. Camilla. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Look at Mommy. Say thank you. Look at Mama. Camilla. Look at Mama. Say thank you.